and you are a person who is guiding me right now, or I am a known person to you, I don't know about BMS Global, then what perspective do you have right now about BMS Global? What exactly we thought it could be, but what it turns out to be? What is your perspective right now regarding BMS Global?
Yes, I would like to say that BMS Global has given me a great platform to learn, explore the things, and grow in a real guidance and support. Now, I believe that BMS Global is a genuine platform because when I was started, I felt like it's a scam or something fraud is going on. So after now, I believe that it's a supportive learning platform that helps students to gain real skills and confidence uh, so that they can start their freelancing journey with mentors and guidance and the support of peers.
Okay. So thank you very much. We're going through 3 day of mastery program in freelancing. We have a different mindset. So what are the changes? Can I know, please?
Yes, when I attended, actually, I attended two classes.
Mhm.
One I missed, I think. Uh, in earlier days, my freelancing perspective was different. I just gone through so many websites, freelancing websites, and get to know what is freelancing. And in my perspective, freelancing was doing something a little or more than adequate for the clients, and doing some small task online. And these are all my perspective before. But after the program, I understood that it's a structured career. So we can gain the skills, build the skills, and manage the clients, and grow professionally with others, means peers and mentors, guides, with the help of them.
Okay. What's the difference between the CSP program, Career Solution Program, BMS offer? Basically, in starting also they have told you that it's not an ordinary course; it's in program, right? So, what do you feel
Yeah.
exactly regarding the BMS and the other typical courses which are available on internet?
I
Yeah, please.
I feel career solution program is more practical because it will be having hands-on and all. When it compared to typical courses, they will simply put on some slides, or they will simply teach theory about the course. But when it comes to the career solutions of BMS Global, it is really helpful because it has some hands-on experience. So we can learn by doing it. I think it is helpful.
One line, what you would like to say about freelancing before and after, in one line, just in one line, how you will describe yourself, that what I was means about freelancing and what BMS Global has changed and what learnings I received, in one line, one sentence, whatever you like. Can you please?
In one sentence, if I wanted to say what is freelancing and how my perspective is changed after BMS, is like starting small, learning consistently, and then applying the skills whatever we gained, and growing step by step, uh, so that we can get more opportunities in the future.
Okay, shortly. Ruja, can you please give us a small introduction regarding you?
Yes, I'm Roja HD, currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in Siddhaganga Institute of Technology with the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. Currently, I'm looking for internships and jobs. I joined BMS Global recently.
Yeah, shortly. Okay. So, okay, we will talk about later what exactly we have gained through after joining BMS Global and all. So, before that, I wanted to know, you are in your third year, right? Or fourth year?
No, I am in my final year.
Okay, you are in your final year. Okay. So, right now, as a fresher or as a student, you were looking for some job and interview before joining us, right? So what was the result you were getting
Yes.
from the job interviews and all?
Like I'm searching. I got some interview calls, but I'm still exploring opportunities to find the right fit. Uh, some of the interviews I was given were not going that well, so I'm looking for more job opportunities.
Okay. Good. Okay, so how many interview till date
I think three.
interviews have you given? Not getting the feedback. Okay. As a student, you need a feedback from every interview that whether they are selecting, they are not selecting, and why they are not selecting, and everything. So when they were
Yes.
not giving any feedback to you, how you were feeling?
Uh, I will really not get what where I am failing and what I am doing wrong. So I tried to analyze my performance on my own uh, and noted down some areas where I did wrong in that interview, but still I am not able to get what the proper reason that I am failing in that.
Okay, okay, sure, got it. And the most important thing is, you were looking for some online work, for some work from home job, along with your traditional job and all.
Yes, I applied so many jobs for remote jobs in LinkedIn too, but I didn't get any response from them. So I just stopped applying there.
Okay, so okay, got it. So, what kind of thing you have faced over that in finding online works and all?
It's too difficult to find the online work. So when I feel like I'm in the sea searching for jobs, like it's a too big challenge for me with little experience and uh,
Okay,
skill
got
sets
it.
as well.
Yeah. So, let's suppose we are alone. We are doing everything alone. No support. No that much of high level of friendship, friend circles and all. So it's bit little complicated to get what you want exactly from the society, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, uh, so these are the reason that force you that convince your mindset that you should start freelancing, or what was the thinking going on your mind that you started freelancing with us or learning the freelancing with us?
Yes, it was my genuine curiosity. Actually, I'm a kind of student. I wanted to explore all the things in my study. So whatever the things that comes on my way, I will just apply and I will try that. So when I got the mail from BMS Global, I started thinking like how the freelancing workers will do these things, and also just for my curiosity, I applied for the BMS Global.
Okay, okay, got it. So okay, before that you have not heard about BMS Global, am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So what made you think, what made you believe in that mill, so you reverted over that? What made you believe in BMS Global? What was the perception of you before entering BMS Global, or before knowing BMS Global? What was the perception? Because in today's time, there are kind of many kind of scams are going on. Okay, there are online fake interviews and all. So what was the perception about BMS Global?
When I got the WhatsApp message from BMS Global, I just gone through the LinkedIn and Instagram accounts and then joined that WhatsApp community as well. So I have gone through all the details and I get to know this is the legitimate website, so I can try it. So I just believed. So others are upskilling. Others are upskilling. So I'm also able to upskill myself with BMS Global. That mentor as well, giving more information and all. So I just decided to give it a try.
Okay, got it. So you started, you applied for freelancing for just only for what? Okay, some with some expectation. So what was your expectation that what it could be? Like we don't know what actually is there inside of the box. Okay, but what was the expectation? What kind of classes I can get over here? What was the expectation with the program of you?
Currently, I'm focusing on getting some clients so that I can build some little projects for them.
Mm-hmm.
And my major focus is on time management. With my academics and other commitments, I wanted to continue freelancing with the help of BMS Global. So I feel I will do it.
Okay. So, Roja, you didn't start it on the first day, right? When we only have a conversation regarding it, you saw a webinar regarding the freelancing and all, right? And after that, when you heard about that, it's a paid kind of thing, okay? And literally, we know there are many kind of courses. Every courses are going on in the internet, okay? There are lots of people who are giving courses about learnings and all, okay? So why we didn't take our step on the first day? Look, it was not about the
Maybe
one
it's
time.
because,
Yeah, I was saying.
sorry, I didn't.
Yeah, okay. On first day, we didn't move on. Okay. Literally for
Yes,
today's time, spending 499, 777 or 2400 on your educational thing, it's not a very big thing, right? But the thing is that
yes.
when you meet us on first day, okay, you understood everything about the freelancing, how exactly it works, and what are the benefits I will be getting. But then also, there were some question in your mind. Okay, there were some question. I guess there were some question to you. There were some question in your mind that I should proceed it with, I should not proceed, or whatever. Many things were going on your mind. So, can I know that situation? What exactly going on your mind at that time, at that moment?
Yes, when I got the message from BMS Global, I discussed it with my friend, and she told me like it's completely a scam, don't go with it, and all.
Okay,
And I told, I did research about this company in LinkedIn and Instagram. I thought it will be legitimate.
okay,
So
okay.
she was arguing with me,
Uh-huh,
don't do any payment and all. And it's completely a conflict between me and my friend.
okay.
We discussed a lot about this,
Uh-huh,
and finally, when that mentor told, just do 99 rupees and then you can proceed with the further payments. I thought of giving it a try and did 99 rupees payment. After that, I have gone through all the details clearly.
mhm.
Uh, WhatsApp community and LinkedIn as well. And then after finding it a legitimate, I just proceeded further.
Okay, okay, got it. Totally fine. Means you first hold your slot with 99 and rest you paid after a week and all. Okay. So, well, I have one question regarding your friend. Okay. So, on that day, she was arguing with you or having one, not arguing, but a conflict between you and her regarding we should do or not do. Okay. So, now, now reality has been changed. Okay, you have taken all
Yes.
the things, understood all the things. So I just want to understand one thing, that what's the mindset difference between you and your friend on that day. Uh, she not by intention, but as a good friend, she tried to stop you because she was thinking that it could be a scam. Okay, but she don't know that it's a real thing. But today, what kind of knowledge you have about freelancing, and do your friend hold the same knowledge about freelancing, or she's standing on the same place and you have a better knowledge about freelancing today?
Yes, I think I have a bit more knowledge about freelancing, quite more than her. But I think she met with so many scammers, so she decided to tell me
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
don't go with it.
yeah. That's a good
So
thing. Yeah,
it's not her fault, but I feel I also got scammed in so many ways, but still I researched, right? So I believed s- it will be okay if I try.
yeah.
Uh, and now when I tell her, she's also agreeing with me. Uh,
Okay, okay.
so
Okay, got it. So I was just trying to make you understand that on that day she tried us because of safety net. Okay, she thought it could be a scam. Also, my friend will get scammed in that. Okay, so she tried to become a safety net for you, but you thought at that moment that one I should try about it. Let's see what happens. So you think with okay, I can start with the slot holding, and if they are scam, if they are scamming people, then they will stop over here only. Why they will proceed further, right? Okay, so many things you have got. Okay, I have a question right now. So when you started your journey with us, okay, on first 2 day we not start our freelancing classes, because it's our main thing. So
yes,
on first 2 day we give 13 type of soft skills, okay, which are literally
yes.
important for today's working culture and all. So what which skill you find the most acknowledge most important for you, okay, and what's most important for you, and give you more detail about that skill and how it changed your thinking and all.
When the BMS Global gave me a soft skills courses, uh, I thought like I'm doing it in college, so it will be not that beneficial.
Mm,
So when I gone through all the videos, I found that they were really useful. Because each and every details are very well explained, and I got something new perspective about about seeing the problems in day to day life, and I got so effective communication among the people, how to convince people, how to explain the people and all, and it is the most useful. For me, communication is the most useful thing because I am the one introvert. I will not talk with others very much. So when I gone through the uh, all videos,
mm,
I thought how to do a professional communication. I got it. I got the real skills.
okay, okay, okay. So during your class during your freelancing journey, we say that we have experienced mentors, we have a great community, okay. So you feel supported during your classes? Do you feel guided during your classes?
Yes, I felt supported because when I missed the class, I just messaged that mentor, and he was really helping me. Uh, because when we are not getting the class, it feels like it's something scam. So when I just informed him,
Okay, okay, okay,
uh,
totally fine.
he's so much support,
Okay,
uh, and uh, and it was helpful, and he was helpful.
okay, got it. Okay, so uh, well, I want to know one thing from you, that you have a good experience regarding the market because you are studying right now in tech field only. Okay, and you know there is a flood regarding courses and all. So, what's the difference between a typical course? Okay, typical course which is getting in market, and what's the difference between the CSP program, Career Solution Program BMS offer? Basically in starting also they have told you that it's not an ordinary course, it's in program, right? So what do you feel
Yeah.
exactly regarding the BMS and the other typical courses which are available on internet?
I
Yeah, please.
I feel career solution program is more practical because it will be having hands on and all. When it compared to typical courses, they will simply put on some slides, or they will simply teach theory about the course. But when it comes to the career solutions of BMS Global, it is really helpful because it has some hands-on experience. So we can learn by doing it. I think it is helpful.
Okay, that sounds really amazing. And before completing, we have a certain mindset regarding freelancing. What is freelancing? And we have a viewpoint, we have a perception. Okay, freelancing is this, freelancing is that. Okay, we have a different mindset. But after going through 3 day of mastery program in freelancing, we have a different mindset. So, what are the changes? Can I know, please?
Yes, when I attended, actually, I attended two classes. One I missed, I think. Uh, in earlier days, my freelancing perspective was different. I just gone through so many websites, freelancing websites, and get to know what is freelancing. And in my perspective, freelancing was doing something a little or more than adequate for the clients, and doing some small task online. And these are all my perspective before. But after the program, I understood that it's a structured career. So we can gain the skills, build the skills, and manage the clients, and grow professionally with others, means peers and mentors, guides, with the help of them.
Okay. That's really very good because we will search that is this 2025 is a good year to start freelancing in India, and Google will say yes, is this the good time? And the thing is that you actually mentioned that it was really helpful for you. So after learning all this skill, we are loaded with all the arms and ammunition, right? So what's your next step for the freelancing? What you are focusing on, what you are on focusing right now, and what's your next step towards freelancing? How will start?
Currently, my next step is start applying for the skills I learned uh, through the BMS Global to the freelancing projects, and gradually to build my portfolio while doing some projects for the small clients. So I can build something bigger bigger in next days.
Okay, okay, that's you give a hint to the maybe someone that you should start doing with small clients and small projects, and you can collect on a portfolio, you can collect reviews from it, and you can go for the big projects. That's very good mindset you have right now regarding freelancing. Okay, so in one line, what you would like to say about freelancing before and after, in one line, just in one line, how you will describe yourself, that what I was means about freelancing, and what BMS Global has changed, and what learnings I received, in one line, one sentence, whatever you like. Can you please?
In one sentence, if I wanted to say what is freelancing and how my perspective is changed after BMS, is like starting small, learning consistently, and then applying the skills, whatever we gained, and growing step by step, uh, so that we can get more opportunities in the future.
Okay, shortly we will keep. Thank you so much for the timings and all. Okay, and would you like to share something regarding BMS Global? Of course, this is very unique question from me. Okay, so this is kind of thing that I really want to understand from you by your experience. Okay, so we were having some kind of perspective regarding BMS Global, what it could be, a scam or something. But what is your perspective now? What do you think about BMS Global? How means if I am a student, okay, and you are a person who is guiding me right now, or I am a known person to you, I don't know about BMS Global, then what perspective do you have right now about BMS Global? What exactly we thought it could be, but what it turns out to be? What is your perspective right now regarding BMS Global?
Yes, I would like to say that BMS Global has given me a great platform to learn, explore the things, and grow in a real guidance and support. Now, I believe that BMS Global is a genuine platform because when I was started, I felt like it's a scam or something fraud is going on. So after now, I believe that it's a supportive learning platform that helps students to gain real skills and confidence uh, so that they can start their freelancing journey with mentors and guidance and the support of peers.
Okay. So thank you very much from our side, Ms. Rocha. And yeah, definitely
Thank
wish you all the success, wish you all the luck to get the success and be successful in your life. Thank you so much.
thank you for you too. I wish you the success and happy Diwali.
Yeah, you too. Wish you all happy Diwali and other festivals too. Uh, might this is the year you are going to change your destiny with freelancing, and I'm very much sure if you will keep focusing on freelancing, then definitely you can hit a great milestone 18. Okay, so keep growing, keep going. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.